Driving lesson number 1 with Kaillah. Today is an assessment for learning. We're figuring out where her driving is at and then working on skills and abilities for her driving test, which is actually on Friday. So we're under a bit of a time crunch here because it's Monday and we have 4 days to get her ready for her driving test. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. So basically today all we'll do is we'll just drive around. We'll kind of see where you're at. We'll see how you're doing. And then you're gonna have to be able to brake a little bit just to keep it around that 7. I think you're already aware of that. Your stops are really good. You're really good control of the brake. Now we can tilt the back of this seat back a little bit. I think that you might be more comfortable.
Back a little bit.
Because you're okay on your legs.
Yeah.
It's just your arms are a little. You're a little bit. You should be a little bit more like this with your arms.
Okay.
No, just the back. There you go.
Yeah.
Is that a little bit better?
Yeah.
Yeah, because usually you just want kind of like a slight bend in your arms like this. And that way you'll be more comfortable when you're driving. I know it's a bit tough with your your legs are a little bit short there.
Yeah.
But you're right. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you should be in that.
Yeah. Because I'm not passing.
No, we're not. We're just.
Okay.
You're a little bit nervous. It's first time. It's okay. You don't have to stop. You can keep going. That's a yield.
Okay.
It's not a stop. So they're good. So now you just proceed.
Proceed.
Straight through.
Straight
right here.
through.
And I promise I won't yell at you. I will not yell at you.
Sorry, we're just going
We're gonna
straight through.
at the traffic light. We'll turn left.
Okay.
So shoulder check. So shoulder quick head turn.
Quick head turn.
Very quick head turn. Okay, slow down, slow down, and
sorry.
stop. Stop.
Sorry.
Okay,
That was gonna make it.
no, the only reason I was saying that is because had you gone on that yellow, that's an automatic fail. Okay, so if the light turns yellow and you're still back here, get on the brakes and get it stopped, because for the purposes of your driver's test, yellow and red are the same. They mean the same thing. Stop.
Okay.
That's why I was stop. Not because I'm having a go at you. This video is made possible by the course package. Pass your driver's test first time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details. Stop.
Sorry.
Two-way, you gotta stop and then creep out.
Yeah.
Watch.
No. Sorry.
No,
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's all good.
That was really bad.
Yeah. So two-way stop signs. Major road has the right of way over the other traffic that's controlled, okay?
Yep.
So you're gonna have through traffic, which is that lane, and they have the right of way. So you have to stop and then creep up and stop again.
Yep.
And wait for a place to go, okay? So there's the end of the playground sign there. So the other piece, going back to that intersection where you sort of went through, if you get into a situation, any situation when you're driving, or a situation like that on your driver's test, and it's not just your driving test, it's any time you're driving and you are unsure what to do, stop. Just stop.
reassess the situation. Other drivers will go around you if
Okay.
something doesn't happen. And the traffic situation will clear, and then you can proceed after that when you're safe. But if you're in the least bit doubt of what to do, just stop.
Are we going on the highway?
We are, yes. I can feel you panicking. You're- Shoulder check here. There you go. See when it goes 2 to 1 like that, and you're
Shoulder check.
yeah, just shoulder check to make sure there's nobody coming up on the inside there.
On the road test, did they take you here?
Not likely. We'll stay out to this side because you'll get a better line of sight on the highway.
Okay.
Okay? Floor it, get her going. Signal right, or left rather, that way. Up to 90. Put your foot into it. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Go, go, go. There you go. More throttle, more throttle. Nice.
I'm not used to driving here.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, two-way stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Can't just bulldoze into the intersection. So when you're shoulder checking to the left, you're turning too far.
Yeah,
Just 90 degrees. Just turn your head 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Yeah.
I don't have to be exaggerated.
No, it doesn't have to be more than 90 degrees. Just a quick head turn, and that's all you need.
Hang on there 1 sec. We know that your driving test is the most stressful day of your life. Click over here for Pass Your Driver's Test First Time Course Package and check that out and be guaranteed that you're going to pass your driver's test first time. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.